The Magical Kite and the Friendly Cloud. Once upon a time, in a land bathed in golden sunshine, lived a young boy named Leo. Leo, with his bright eyes and boundless curiosity, loved nothing more than spending his afternoons flying kites in the vast meadows behind his house. He had kites of all shapes and sizes, each one a testament to his creativity and love for the sky. One day, Leo stumbled upon a curious sight, a kite unlike any he had ever seen. It was crafted from the finest silk, shimmering with an otherworldly light. Its tail, unlike any other, was made of fluffy, cotton-like clouds that danced in the breeze. This was no ordinary kite. It was magical. As Leo held the kite in his hands, a gust of wind swept through the meadow, lifting the kite and Leo's spirits high. Together they soared through the sky, leaving behind the familiar ground and embracing the boundless freedom of the clouds. Higher and higher they went, until they reached the land of the clouds. Here, fluffy giants with rosy cheeks and twinkling eyes welcomed Leo and his magical kite. They led them through a whimsical landscape where rivers of rain flowed and rainbows bloomed like flowers. Leo met a friendly cloud named Cumulus, who became his dearest companion in this magical world. Cumulus was playful and mischievous, always ready for an adventure. Together, they explored the Cloud Kingdom, riding on rainbows, chasing shooting stars, and playing hide-and-seek amongst the fluffy giants. Leo learned the language of the clouds, understanding their whispers and laughter. He discovered that each cloud held a unique story, a memory of a faraway land or a forgotten dream. He felt a connection to these gentle beings, a sense of belonging that he had never known before. Days turned into weeks, and Leo basked in the joy of his newfound friends and the wonders of the Cloud Kingdom. Yet, a part of him still yearned for home. He missed his family, the familiar warmth of his house, and the laughter of his friends. Cumulus, sensing Leo's longing, offered him a bittersweet farewell. With a gentle push and a loving smile, Cumulus sent Leo and his magical kite back to the earth. As they descended, Leo felt a tear roll down his cheek, a mixture of sadness and gratitude for the unforgettable time he had spent in the clouds. Back home, Leo was greeted with open arms and warm embraces. He shared his stories of the Cloud Kingdom, his voice filled with wonder and his eyes sparkling with the memory of his adventures. He knew that his time in the clouds had changed him forever, leaving a footprint of magic on his heart. Every time he flew a kite, Leo looked up at the sky, remembering his friend Cumulus and the whimsical land of clouds. He knew that the magic he had found would stay with him always, a reminder of the boundless possibilities of imagination and the joy of friendship. From that day on, Leo continued to fly kites, but now each flight was a journey to the clouds, a reminder of the magical world that awaited him amongst the fluffy giants and dancing rainbows. His laughter echoed in the wind, a testament to the enduring bond he shared with the friendly cloud, Cumulus.